You've heard about cool roofing. Today we're going to talk about cool pavement. Here are 5 things you need to know about cool pavement. Number 1. Design. The cool paving material is designed to reflect more sunlight and absorb less heat than traditional paving materials. This can help to reduce the urban heat island effect and make more outdoor spaces more comfortable during hot weather. Number 2. Materials. Cool pavement is typically made from materials such as asphalt or concrete that have been modified with reflective pigments or coatings. These materials can reflect up to 85% of the sun's UV rays, compared to the traditional pavement materials, which is typically reflect only about 5 to 15%. Number 3. Previous materials. In another win for the environment, cool pavement can also be made of previous materials, such as porous asphalt or permeable pavers, which allow water to filter through the surface and recharge underground aquifers, thus helping the environment. Number 4. Lower temperature. The use of cool pavement can help lower local temperatures and reduce the need of air conditioning, which can lead to energy savings and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Reduce heat island effect. Cool pavement is a cost-effective solution for reducing the heat island effect, which can be implemented at a relatively low cost compared to other cooling strategies, such as green roofs or shading. It's important to add that cool pavement alone cannot combat the heat island effect, but it does give us another method to combine with cool roofing along with other measures to reduce carbon emissions and use less energy, with the added benefit of also helping your wallet by reducing energy costs and energy bills. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.